YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your partners and them, and their mama and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, yeah, we got some packages. We got some packages. Wait, hold on. What is this? Oh, this was supposed to be for my nail table. What? This was supposed to be for my nail table. This is small. I'm salty. Yeah, that might be. How much was this? I don't know how much this was. But yeah, this is not. Yeah, that was supposed to be like a mat for my nail table over here. It's supposed to be like a huge mat, and this is small. Because I want my nail space to be Kuromi, and they really tried it. So this stuff is from a combination of several places. This is from the Express. Decided to give the Gate a try again. This is from the Gate. It's got all types of tape on it. Let me see. I'll be forever trying to open this thing. Thank you card. Smushed up. Okay, y'all, so I decided to get this book bag because it was a little bit bigger than my other book bag. My other book bag is small, baby. And then the other one is huge. So I need one just in the middle, and I figured this would be the. Yeah, don't know what. I think I just. Alright, what just fell? Okay, my acrylic. Come on now. Make sure it's home. So yeah, just an MCM book bag. Hold on, let me lift y'all up some. So yeah, it has the zipper for the pocket space right here in the front, and then pockets on the side, and it does say MCM. On the inside, it has a little space right there, and just regular book bag. So yeah, y'all, definitely a staple for the summertime, because baby, I'm gonna need it. Okay, so there's a few things in here. This is from Expressway. Make sure my notes in here. So I actually got this chair cushion for my nail chair. You know, the one I purchased off of TikTok. So I just want the space to be chromy. So I thought this was cute just to put on my chair. It's just a little butt cushion. So yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I had purchased this necklace again. I actually have it, but I had like broke it when I slept in it. So it just has these little gold, it's stainless steel gold. I guess I can bring this down some. And it says, what is it? Alling in, I think that's supposed to say falling in love for real. Oh gosh. And then it's always in my heart. I just thought this was just so cute, you know, just to have. Y'all know I love gold stuff. And then I got these little charms. Actually, it's a Pandora bracelet, quote unquote. Is this gonna fit my wrist? Okay, it's gonna fit. Cause y'all, as y'all can see, I have huge hands. I'm tall, I got big feet, so my stature is pretty big. So like my wrist, you know, my wrist is big. So I gotta find like stuff that fits my wrist. Cause I want to say, what size was that bracelet? Usually I get 21 centimeters. Yeah, it don't say, but usually for my wrist, if your wrist is like mine, I try to get like a 21 centimeter bracelet in length because it's longer. But if I can't find one, I'll get the largest one they have and try to order a bracelet extender on like you know, on Amazon or something if I really want to wear it, or if not, I can get it off of the expressway. So yeah. So let me see, is this the one that twists? Because I think this is the one that be twisting at the end. Oh, did I break it? No, I done broke the damn thing. I think I broke it. Oh wait, I just gotta put the clasp on and then close the clasp. Because which one's supposed to open? Oh, it was this side that was supposed to open, I think. I don't know. Whatever. So y'all know I like my skulls. So, excuse my nails. I gotta do a soak off, fill in. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. One of the two. So I got a skull one. But this one is actually from, you ever seen the movie, I think it's called Coco by Disney. So yeah, because I got the dude and the dog, and yeah. So it's from the movie Coco, if you ever seen it. This is Minnie Mouse with gold heels on. Not sure if y'all could see it. Oh, there you go. And then this is a charm from Coco. And then this is a Disney charm also. I think this is Cinderella. Okay, are you gonna zoom? Okay, maybe not. Uh-oh. What does this say? A dream is a wish your heart makes. So that's that. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this charm bracelet too. See, I'm always breaking something. Yeah, I'll fix that later. And then the last thing from TikTok Shop. Y'all actually had purchased this peanut butter for the second time from TikTok Shop. Y'all, it's downstairs. I had to get it out of my room. Get it out. Get it out. Because y'all, that thing is addictive. I had to show y'all. I'll take a picture of it. Y'all, it's so good. So good. So I purchased this book from TikTok Shop. It's called Nails by Nail Goddess. It's so cute. And it says, "Hey bestie." No bestie. And it's illuminated. So let me just see, because I don't want to show too much. So it just has practice, like where you can actually lay the acrylic. As far as like bead size, well, this is pretty big, but it's just basically staying within the lines. You know, you could put acrylic on the nails. These are like square, lipstick, duck shape. Let me see what else. So it's just practice sheets. Show you how to draw and stuff. Like There's different prints in here, and it's illuminated, so so like on this one you could actually basically like color this in, because I actually seen it, somebody do this before, color it in and, you know, curate it with the, I think you got to use gel polish, which I'll have to invest in later down the road, but gel polish and cure it with the lamp, and then it peels off and you can actually put it on your finger like a sticker. So that's the reason why I really got that, because I want to, y'all know I can draw a little bit, I can do a little something, a little yang yang, a little something something, a little regular degular, but I'm not like I'm not a Picasso. So, and then my hands are shaky and unsteady because of MS, unfortunately, so I can't draw like that, y'all. So I do the stickers or the water decals, or y'all know, you know how I do, or the rhinestones and stuff like that. So when I want to do like little cutesy stuff like this, like actual sticker, because y'all know my nails are longer, so I can actually have like this size of these pictures, and it like, it's going to be like banging, because I feel like the longer the nail, the more you can put on there. So yeah, I got this because I thought this was so cute. I want to say it was like $20 something, which is well worth it, because there's other pages in here, but I don't want to show, you know, show too much, get copyrighted. But yeah, y'all, I just went on there the other day. It's sold out, but you can go in there and look on there and just favorite it, and then when they come back in stock, then they'll notify you. So yeah, I purchased that. Y'all know I don't do other people's nails other than my own, and sometimes mama rare. But for the most part, I just do my own nails. So, you know, this little stuff like this, trinkets and stuff, you know, I'm going to invest in. But when it comes to like more supplies and stuff like that, no, I'm not buying anymore, because it's just like, nail stuff is expensive. The stuff just, I don't want a hoarder. And y'all know I had the nail giveaway. I might have another one when I declutter some more stuff, when we decide to move, which I know I might do a move vlog when we get to that point. But yeah, y'all, this is my mini a little haul. Just wanted to share with y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.